to all. Today I am discussing Pranayama and Kapalabhati. What is Pranayama? Pranayama refers to breathing exercises which clear the physical and emotional obstacles in our body to free the breath and so the flow of prana, life energy. Regular and sustained practice of pranayama can supercharge your whole body. In pranayama, there are two different words combined together. It's called pranayama, that is prana and ayama. Prana is a Sanskrit word that means life force energy, and ayama means extending or stretching. Thus, the word pranayama translates to the control of life force. It is also known as the extension of breath. Each and every cell in our body needs oxygen to function properly. There are different types of pranayamas that we can practice. Here today I am discussing one pranayama kriya. It's called Kapalabhati. Here in Kapalabhati also, if we split the word, it becomes Kapala and Bhati. The word Kapala means skull and Bhati means shiny. So this kriya is often referred to as the skull shining breath. Since it is said to cleanse or polish the air ducts inside the head. Kapalabhati involves forcefully expelling the breath out through the nostrils using the lower transverse abdominis muscle. The exhalation is active and the inhalation is passive. As I said previously, Kapalabhati means skull shining breath. It's pranayama exercise as well as internal kriya, or it can be called as cleansing technique. So, like for doing Kapalabhati, we should be in Chin Mudra. We'll place the both hands on the lap and we'll start exhaling forcefully. Like you can observe, take inhale, deep breath. The breath will be coming out. Here entire body will be still and the stomach part will be coming out and going out. It will be more of coming inside. There are n number of benefits from the Kapalabhati. Some of our Kapalabhati will help to clear the mucus in the air passages, relieve congestion, reduces bloating, and it supports weight loss, strengthens Mula Bandha, reduces Kapha dosha, activates Manipura chakra, improves concentration and memory power. It also improves lungs capacity and it has lot of physical and mental health benefits. Kapalabhati will be more useful and benefited if it is done in the morning and with the empty stomach. This Kapalabhati is also called as Kalpavruksha Kamadhenu. It gives all the health benefits which is very much needed. So Kapalabhati and other pranayamas are very useful. Thank you for listening. For more videos, please subscribe to Mahonnati channel. Thank you. Namaste to all.